Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of downtown Concord, or 5 miles north of Midland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Midland, and downtown Concord. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cabarrus, North Carolina.
Go Bears!
National Weather Service in